Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I have to go to Lowe's to go pick up some paint for the wall to finish that up. So this is my outfit of the day. I love this shirt. Love it. And this skirt, I have a little distressing right here. And don't worry, I have a little shorts on the here. So that's what I'm wearing for the day. Oh, I thought the light was on. I hate when I don't put my lip gloss on. Right there. So that's the plan, and then I have to come back here because I'm babysitting later on. So I have to make sure I get everything done. I need water. I need to start drinking a ton of water now because it's like extremely hot, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass out if I don't start hydrating. So let's go to Lowe's, guys. I forgot I didn't pick out a sandal. I think I'm gonna wear these, but I also have a ton. I have some more downstairs. I think I'm gonna wear these. These are comfortable. These are nice and comfortable. Let's go. Good morning, Madison.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jaxson.
Good morning.
You guys are playing together nicely. Yeah. Want me to turn on the You want me to open your window? Get you some light.
It's dark here.
It's dark. Look at that light. Look at that light. Look at that light. Oh, look at that sunlight. Pretty girl.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I got thing in it.
Oh, that is so pretty. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jaxson. Good morning, Jordan. Let's go check on our project. So this is the wall I'm painting right here. Did the door frame. Did this wall. Let's see how it dried. Perfect. Hi guys. Perfect. I need coffee, but I don't think I'm gonna get coffee right now because I'm anxious. And when my anxiety starts to act up, not even coffee can help me, okay? So I'm just gonna go. I need to take out dinner before I go to Lowe's. I take out dinner before I go. What do you guys feel like eating? Chicken? Okay. Chicken it is. Probably will do curry chicken. All right.
You can cut the chicken.
I'll be back.
And put a little sauce on it. And you cut the chicken and put sauce on it.
Okay.
Like, it's a good thing you can put sauce on it. And
He talked too damn much. So, I think I want to go to Walmart too. Kill two birds. Kill two birds with one stone, okay? So, I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some summer shorts because I need it. But anyways, I need my music, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I'm in Lowe's. I'm looking at light for that space that I just finished. And I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys some of the ones that I like. And you guys tell me if you guys like them as well. So, you see that guy right there? I like that guy. I also like this one. I like this one. I also like this one, but I wish it was black. What else? That one is okay, but it's too small. What else? That one is cute. I wish this was smaller. Let's go look on the other side. Ooh, I like this one. Right here. This guy. I like that one. Which is right here. But I think this is chrome in the middle. I don't want chrome. Or it could be black. I don't know. That one is okay right here. That one. I like that too. But not for $139. I'm at Walmart now. I want some bralettes. These are cute. Gosh. What a freaking... I don't have the size. Okay guys, so I'm back in the house. I got me 2 pairs of shorts. This is a high-rise one. It just looks like this. It's really cute. And I got this one. This is cute. That's a size 10. The other one is 11. And these are 12s. I could have gotten away with a 10 in these, but I don't like to be like super tight. So, and yeah, so I got 2 of these. They're like little high-rise pants situation. And it like has a cuff at the bottom. I got 2 of these little tank tops. They're like really pretty. Love this color. And I got 2 other shirts. And I think I'm done for the summer. I need to take out 4 tops out of my wardrobe and 4 bottoms that I no longer want. But I'm all ready. I'm gonna go downstairs and see. I got the paint for downstairs. I got the paint. So I need to come back and clean up my room, but that's not gonna happen right now. I got the paint. I got Repulse Gray, and I got a pillow. Let me show you guys. So I got this pillow originally $24. It wasn't on clearance, but it was in a spot that had clearance sticker on it, and I got the manager to honor the price because it's not my fault that it was sitting there. So it just looks like this on the back. I probably should have gotten 2, but that's where that's gonna sit right there. So pretty. So this wall is gonna be Repulse Gray. So I'm gonna paint that right now. Okay, so I'm putting the first coat of Repulse Gray on here. This is what it looks like. This is the City Loft. Not a bad color, but it's just a flat paint, and I can't do flat paint. This is in a satin. And okay guys, so I have that much right here to do on this little side right here to do, and then I have to come all over here, but that's another day. But it's drying. Let me see if I can turn the light back on. It's gonna be yellow. So that's what Repulse Gray look next to Peppercorn. Next to this darker gray. I don't know if I love it yet. Maybe I just need to wait for it to dry. I'll show you guys it in a different space. This is it. I love it here, but the light in here is different. I love it here. Love it here. But with all the natural light, shining on here, I don't know, it's reading green to me. It's spitting out green, and I don't like it. Okay, so I'm about to make dinner. I'm gonna make these. This one, I have some chicken. I got my pot over there.
You're welcome, Mom.
I'm gonna put all of that in the oven with some cheese, and that's dinner. So watch me whip this meal up.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Like before the cheese. I'm gonna add the cheese in here now and put it back in the oven. Okay, got all 3 cheese in here. Stick this back in the oven for 15 minutes and then dinner is done. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it comes out. So what I'm doing is just going through and skimming off all that oil, because I don't want us to consume that. But it looks so good. So good. So this is just chicken, ganache, or however you want to call it.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your name.
Bacon.
Mike Dwight.
So yeah, guys. The husband's home. He's over there somewhere. And I painted the wall. That's about all I did today. I really didn't do much of anything because I'm running out of projects. And then I went shopping for myself. But I didn't get anything interesting, so there was nothing to really show you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.